Hello, today we will be doing another practice problem for Lagrange error bound. Our problem is find the upper error bound of the following approximation for arc sine of 0.4. Now as we look at this, we see that it is a Maclaurin approximation for arc sine of x that we're approximating at 0.4. So now we're just going to find all the stuff that we need to put into our formula here for Lagrange error bound. We see that c is equal to 0. C is where our polynomial is centered, and since this is a Maclaurin polynomial, it's centered at 0, so c is equal to 0, and it is a third degree approximation, so n is equal to 3. And we've got n and we've got c, so now we've got to find the maximum of the n plus 1th derivative of f. So that is the fourth derivative of f, and if we plug this into a calculator, we do find the fourth derivative of f, and we have to maximize this. To maximize it, z needs to be a number between the center of the polynomial and the number of approximation, which is between 0 and 0.4. We find that it is a maximum at 0.4, and that's 7.334. So now we can just take everything we know and plug it into our error bound. So r sub 3 of x has to be less than or equal to 7.334 over n plus 1 factorial, so that's 4 factorial, and since c is 0, we have x to the 4th. X to the 4th, we also have to maximize that, so we put in 0.4, and simplifying, we find the answer. This is the upper error bound for the approximation that we were given for arc sine of 0.4.